Acheh, West Papua, South Molucas joint statement. This year, on 10 December 2023, the United Nations will commemorate the 55th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Since its adoption 75 years ago, the Declaration has become a roadmap for fundamental rights and freedoms, such as the right to self-determination and for protecting the rights of every individual, group, or nation. Through these long years, much progress has been achieved, but the promises of the Declaration have been constantly under a sustained assault and threat. The Republic of Indonesia is such an example. Since its birth, Indonesia has been violating most of the very principles of the Declaration.